that time of year again when the whole family gets together. Is your uncle already passed out drunk and it's only 11 a.m.? Does your mom keep asking you when you're going to give her grandchildren? Will your cousin not shut up about his Coinbase portfolio? Has your sister gone off the conspiracy theory deep end? Make this holiday season a bit more bearable with the FUnicorn. Either smash the big red button or go for a more subtle approach with our built-in capacitive touch to let your terrible relatives know exactly how you feel. Better yet, add a distance sensor, and if anyone gets too close, your FUnicorn will send the message without you even having to lift a finger.
Happy holidays from us to you!